Okay, so the front of your note should be good. You should have your bottom examples completed, and then the top half on parallel lines should be good to go. So we just have 9 through 12 left to go on the bottom portion. So jumping right in, so 9 and both 10 are already in standard form, making, not standard, they're already in slope-intercept form, making them a little easier. So they gave us the point 3 comma negative 3, and if the slope in the line they gave us is 3 over 4, that means we need the opposite reciprocal since these are perpendicular. So ours is going to have to be negative, and we're going to flip it to be 4 over 3. So that means y plus 3 equals negative 4 over 3 parentheses x minus 3. So we're going to distribute first, negative 4 over 3x. Negative 4 times negative 3 is 12. 12 divided by a positive 3 is negative 4. No, it's not. It's positive 4. Just kidding. Negative 4 divided by negative 3 is a positive 12. Divided by positive 3 is positive 4. All right, subtract 3 on each side. So y equals negative 4 over 3x plus 1. And you're good to go. Moving on to number 10. Negative 3 comma negative 2. And y equals x minus 2. So our slope here is 1, or think of it as 1 over 1, so ours will have to be negative. If you flip 1 over 1, it's still just 1. So we can also just write negative 1 as well. Negative 1 over 1 or just negative 1. So y plus 2 equals negative 1 parentheses x plus 3. Go ahead and distribute. You can write negative x or negative 1x, either way. And then that's going to be minus 3. Subtract 2 on each side, y equals negative x or negative 1x minus 5. Numbers 11 and 12 are in standard form, so we've got a little more work to do. It's going to go through the point 2 comma 3. Standard form, 2x plus 10y equals 20. So we need to get y by itself, so subtract that 2x on each side. 10y equals 20 minus 2x, divide by 10 on each side, so y equals 2 minus 2 over 10 is going to simplify to 1 over 5, and it'll make your life easier if you reduce that in order, because when we flip it, if you don't reduce it, your slope's going to be way too big for what we're doing. So negative 1/5. Opposite reciprocal would be positive, flip 1 over 5, and we get 5 over 1, or just 5 for our new slope. So I took the slope that I found, and I had to do the opposite reciprocal, which is 5. Y minus 3 equals 5 parentheses x minus 2. Distribute, you get 5x minus 10. Add 3 on each side. Y equals 5x minus 7. Slope-intercept form. All right, one more. Got 3 minutes until the bell rings, so we're going to see if I can do it. Negative 1 comma negative 6, and then the equation is in standard form, so we're going to rearrange that right away into slope-intercept form. Two minus 1/3 x. Add a 1 there if you want to. It's 1/3 x. So this is the slope that they gave us. I need the opposite reciprocal of that. So our slope's going to be positive. 3 over 1 is just 3. So this is the information I'm using for point slope form. Distribute 3x plus 3. Subtract 6 on each side. Y equals 3x minus 3. And there you go. Went through those last 4 a little quick, trying to make sure I beat the bell and could get these uploaded for y'all for class today. Remember, Khan Academy is due Monday at 3 for Algebra 1-8, so make sure that you are getting those done. See me for homework 10, and I'll look over your notes, and you can get started on either that or checking up on Khan Academy and asking any questions you may have on those. Thanks, guys.